Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop Komoot from sending emails. So if you keep on getting those newsletters from Komoot or those spammy emails, then here's how you can actually disable this. So open the Komoot app like this, and once you've done that, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen at Profile, and then what you need to do is go to the top of your screen and click on that gear icon right here. And once you've done that, click on notifications, and then right here you will see a list of all the notifications you could potentially get an email for. And what you simply need to do is just disable all those email boxes until they are grayed out. Grayed out means they will not get emails from that. So yeah, we're just going to tick all of those boxes, and then they will all be grayed out and you will not receive any emails from all of those topics. And that's basically all you need to do in order to stop emails from the Komoot app. Just click on done right here and then you're good to go. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.